Here's a little gem of a meditation that I absolutely love for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's super simple. Number two, it uses breath and mudra, which are fantastic ways to harness energy, channel energy, and also to create clarity in the mind. And that's exactly what this one is for, creating new perspective and gaining insight. Ooh, let's do it. So let's get started by doing the full meditation. Remember that in this practice, in this formal practice, I'm going to tune in, do some warm up exercises, guide you through the meditation, and then close it out formally. When you're practicing, let's say this comes to your mind and you want to practice it at work or in another space and you don't have the video handy, you can simply go to the mudra and the breath work and still receive the same benefits. Okay, so I want to make sure that you're relaxed about what you're learning here and also that you can implement it everywhere. Tuning in is a really powerful experience. It allows us to connect via sound to the universe. Who doesn't want that? The sounds to tune in: Ong, Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the teacher within. I call in my highest consciousness. This is the sounds that reflect a connection to the divine in the sacred language of Gurmukhi. So pressing your palms together at the center of your chest. Sit up tall and straight, press your palms together, and raise your spine all the way up as if you were reaching for the sky through the top of your head. Palms are together and thumbs are tucked into the bone of your chest. Close your eyes now. Concentrate in between the eyebrows and slightly above. Inhale very deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and let's tune in. Om Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply and set your intentions for the practice. Is it new perspective that you're looking for? New insight? Put it out there. Exhale and relax. Amazing. Notice how you're feeling. Notice that space between the spaces where there is silence and there's also a lot of information. We'll take a moment now to roll out the shoulders. This is a really good way to just prepare the body and the mind for the practice. And that comes from releasing a little bit of tension that's sitting there. Now we're going to go in the opposite direction. Awesome. From here now, give yourself a little bit of space and we're going to do something called spinal flex. Inhale as you press the spine forward, lift the chin up, and exhale, round the spine, look towards the knees. Inhaling as you lift up and exhaling as you round down. Inhale deeply, come to center. And exhale. Notice with just those two movements, if you're able to breathe a little bit more deeply, if you feel a little bit more relaxed. And that's a really good sign. If you feel it, great. And if you're not feeling it, that's okay too. We'll do a couple more movements so that you feel a little more relaxed. Okay, so here we're going to try a different technique, and that is to bring your thumbs underneath your pinkies. Inhale, squeeze, tense, and hold. Tense, 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 hold, hold, hold. And through the nose, through the mouth, exhale. Two more, inhale. Squeeze, tense, hold. Exhale. And one more time, inhale, squeeze, tense, hold. And exhale. I generally feel this rising experience. Notice if that happens for you too. Tensing allows the body to come back to survival mode. That's a good thing in this case. That means I'm going to let go of what's happening in the mind and focus fully on the body. And that brings us back to present moment. We'll do a little shakeout now. Great. Take one palm on top of the other. So whichever one feels most comfortable, and then connect the thumbs tips to each other. So one palm on top of the other and connecting the thumbs. And then bring this mudra very comfortably here. So elbows are relaxed, shoulders are relaxed, and we're just holding that mantra here, just in front of the heart space. So like a shield, like a receptor of this heart space, love and compassion. And now the breathing technique, which is really interesting. It's inhale through the nose, exhale mouth, inhale mouth, close the mouth, exhale nose. Good. So 4-part breathing technique. And here the idea is to alternate between the nose and the mouth. And so wherever you end off, that's where you begin. So it's a way of creating a pattern and repatterning what's happening in the mind. And you'll notice as you sink deeper into this practice, you'll find a sense of expansion, a sense of opening, a sense of experience. Let's do that together now. Closing the eyes, focusing in between the eyebrows, and then dropping your gaze to the tip of your nose. Good. So we're going to begin now. I'll get you started and then allow some space for quiet reflection. And then you go ahead and then I'll let you know when time is up. So from here, holding the mudra, inhale through the nose. Exhale mouth. Inhale mouth. Exhale nose. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. Inhale mouth. Exhale nose. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. And continue. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling mouth. Inhaling mouth, exhaling nose. If you've lost your way, gotten distracted, forgotten where you are, just come back to the breath. Inhale nose, exhale mouth. Inhale mouth, exhale nose. And do that for a count of 4. Maintain your presence, keep the mudra, relax your shoulders, continue. Last few rounds. Inhale very deeply. Bring both hands to your heart space. Exhale completely. Inhale. And exhale. Notice how you feel. Notice what came up. Notice where direction was offered and what you've been able to receive in all of this. Press your palms together at the center of your chest. Focus your hands just a little bit away from the center of your chest. Inhale very deeply, and we close now with a long Sat short Nam. Sat Nam. Satnam means truth is my name. Truth is there is only one. This is the sacred language of Gurmukhi, a powerful way to close off our practice. Bring your fingertips to your forehead. grounding, and releasing into the rest of your day. Whatever it is that you're doing, I hope you have lots of fun, that these insights keep pouring in and that you keep coming back. If you found this helpful, please share with a friend. And if you're looking for different ways for us to work together, then check out the links in my bio. Kundalini Yoga Teacher Training, powerful way to get all of this info and knowledge for yourself. Be a teacher in your own right. Join Harmony Within, do some group work, and notice the impact of community. And numerology sessions with me, you and me, one on one, talking about your favorite topic. You. Lots of love. See you soon.